Looking for kitchen plumbing services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how frustrating leaky faucets, clogged drains, and outdated fixtures can be. Our expert team specializes in fast, reliable kitchen plumbing solutions, from sink repairs to full plumbing upgrades. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn clog or need a new dishwasher installed, we ensure the job is done right the first time. In Sherwood Park, changing seasons can cause unexpected plumbing issues, but our local professionals are ready to handle any challenge. With transparent pricing and a commitment to quality, we make kitchen plumbing stress-free. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert kitchen plumbing services in Sherwood Park. Call us now or click book online to schedule your service today.